In this Java program, we are making use of if statement. Now, before using if statement, we have written some code. That is, we have created a package JTest1, then we have imported the scanner class from the Java util package, then we have created the class student. And within the class, we have a declaration for id variable, that is we have declared id variable of type integer. Then we have the main method, which is starting point of execution, and inside the main method we have written some statements where the first statement will print a message for user to enter id, that is enter id message will be printed on output screen. And then we have created the object for scanner class, and while creating the object for scanner class, in parameters we have given system.in, and then we have created object for student class, and this object is created in order to access the id variable of student class. So now here, using the stu object of student class, we are accessing the id and assigning to it the scanned user input, which is scanned using the scanner class object along with the next int predefined method of scanner class. And then we are making use of if statement. Now in this if statement, beside the if keyword, we have placed a condition. So according to if statement syntax, if keyword, beside if keyword, we place a condition. And if this condition is true, it gives you true result, then only if block gets executed. And if it is false, then if block will not get executed. So we are checking if id is greater than 100, and if it is greater than 100, then we are going to print sorry, id should be less than 100. So this message will be printed if id is greater than 100. And it will not get executed. It will not print sorry, id should be less than 100 if condition is false. So that means if id is given with value which is less than 100, then this block will not get executed. And then we are printing the id value. And now if I run the program, it will give you a message to enter id. And if I give 112, that is greater than 100, then sorry, id should be less than 100, we get a message and then id value. And if I give something like 34, and I get just the id value. So this is how if statement works to give condition in our program. So thank you for watching video, and please subscribe channel for more updates.